Millions of years ago, Homo sapiens embarked on the journey of evolution, but they were not alone in their quest for intelligence and dominance on our planet. 8 other human species joined them in this race. Among them, the Neanderthals stood out as both friends and foes to modern humans. Welcome to a deep dive into prehistoric times, where we explore the intriguing life of the Neanderthals. In a world shrouded in the mists of history, we encounter our distant relatives, Homo neanderthalensis, or simply Neanderthals. These formidable beings ruled over Europe and Western Asia during the last 200,000 years of the Ice Age, predating the emergence of Homo sapiens outside Africa. Contrary to popular belief, Neanderthals were not solitary creatures. They valued family life and social connections. They had standards, and their preferences extended beyond chance encounters with random individuals. While the Eurasian steppes lacked the lush vegetation we associate with nutritional abundance, Neanderthals ingeniously subsisted on a diet of nuts, fruits, roots, and mushrooms. Speaking of mushrooms, their culinary repertoire wasn't limited to the mundane. They delved into the world of psychoactive plants. Around 50,000 years ago, a burial site in Menorca, Spain, yielded evidence of alkaloid substances associated with nightshade plants. These substances included edrin, a well-known stimulant, along with scopolamine and atropine, which could induce out-of-body experiences and hallucinations. Intriguingly, this cave also bore patterns of art that hint at creative expression possibly influenced by these substances. This suggests that Neanderthals were more than just primitive beings. They sought spiritual experiences through the consumption of psychoactive plants, akin to ancient religious practices. Furthermore, Neanderthals had an affinity for seafood. While some stuck to the grasslands of the European steppes, others ventured towards the sea. Remains found in the Iberian Peninsula, particularly modern Portugal, revealed their adventurous culinary exploits. The cave of the Abric del Pastor near Salto showed signs of Neanderthals feasting on an array of marine life, from fish and mussels to crabs, eels, seabirds, seals, and even dolphins. They dared to hunt sharks, a testament to their daring spirit. In fact, their diet in the Fumane cave was comprised of 50% seafood, complemented by terrestrial animals like deer, goats, horses, aurochs, and tortoises. These Neanderthals were true gastronomic adventurers, capable of adapting to and enjoying whatever food sources nature provided. One cannot help but wonder what would have transpired had these Neanderthals encountered more of their kind or even other species like Homo sapiens. Their resourcefulness in adapting to diverse environments and culinary tastes raises intriguing questions about the dynamics of such encounters. Neanderthals were not just opportunistic eaters. They were skilled hunters who continuously refined their techniques to secure their meals. In contrast, modern humans developed apps to order food from the comfort of their couches. Neanderthals in the northern part of the Adriatic, for instance, used shells to create sharp tools as far back as 990,000 years ago. These shells were predominantly from the seashore, but some exhibited smooth exteriors with no signs of wear and tear, hinting at deep-sea diving capabilities. Perhaps these Neanderthals were the world's first underwater adventurers, hunting sharks and chasing turtles without the sophisticated scuba gear we have today. In the Belgian steppes, Neanderthals employed projectile weapons like spears and slings to hunt formidable prey such as rhinos and wild sheep. Their hunting prowess was a testament to their adaptability and survival instincts. Now, let's explore the art of cooking among Neanderthals. Fire was a crucial element in their culinary journey. While modern humans may have microwave ovens and air fryers, the majority of the world still relies on traditional flames for cooking. In Portugal, Neanderthals relished a wide range of foods, but their primary staple was brown crabs. These crabs provided about 200 grams of meat per adult, making them a valuable food source. Neanderthals used stone tools to crack open the crab shells, and black burns on the shells indicated that they roasted the crabs over hot coals at temperatures ranging from 300 to 500 degrees Celsius before indulging in this primitive delicacy. Meanwhile, in Shanidar Cave in Iraq's Zagros Mountains and Franchthai Cave in Greece, evidence revealed Neanderthals' advanced culinary skills. These ancient cooks didn't just consume large quantities of game meat, they created intricate recipes by combining ingredients like plants, nuts, various grasses, wild mustards, and herbs. Neanderthals employed diverse cooking techniques to enhance the flavor and digestibility of their meals, including grinding ingredients into pastes, soaking lentils and pulses for easier consumption, and pounding and shredding herbs to create powders and smaller, more manageable pieces. They even exhibited knowledge of medicinal plants, using the bark of the poplar tree and hot water for pain relief. In some ways, they were the early practitioners of holistic cooking and medicine. Neanderthals lived within close-knit communities, with families taking care of their young and elderly members. While we still have much to discover about their family dynamics, it's evident that they shared responsibilities in hunting, gathering, and caregiving. A remarkable find in Shanidar Cave was the skeleton of an individual with an amputated arm, a fractured leg, and various other injuries, all showing signs of healing and treatment. This Neanderthal was not abandoned but cared for until their last breath, revealing the deep sense of community and compassion that existed among these ancient humans. In the absence of modern language, Neanderthals likely communicated using some form of verbal expression. Like Homo sapiens, they possessed a bone called the hide, a crucial element for speech. This suggests that Neanderthals had a means of communication that played a pivotal role in their survival and social cohesion. While we may never fully decipher their language, it is safe to assume that communication was vital to their existence. Mating rituals among Neanderthals involved males impressing females through successful hunts and loud calls. With an average height of 5 feet 5 inches for males and 5 feet 2 inches for females, Neanderthals were sturdy beings who roamed Eurasia for approximately 350,000 years. However, they mysteriously vanished around 40,000 years ago, coinciding with the arrival of Homo sapiens in the same region. The reasons for their disappearance remain a subject of debate. Some theories propose interspecies conflicts, while others suggest interbreeding with Homo sapiens as the cause. Interestingly, traces of Neanderthal genes are still present in many people's DNA today. Genome sequencing studies indicate that Neanderthals interbred with early humans during the Ice Age. However, modern humans do not possess Neanderthal mitochondrial DNA, which can only be passed down maternally. This suggests that the mating of a female human and a male Neanderthal could produce viable offspring capable of reproduction. Neanderthal DNA has left a mark on our genetic makeup, contributing to enhanced immune functioning, brain development, muscle contraction, and body fat distribution. However, it has also introduced some negative traits, including a susceptibility to conditions like diabetes, Crohn's disease, celiac disease, allergies, excessive blood clotting, and major depressive disorders. In conclusion, the Neanderthals were far from the crude and primitive beings often depicted in popular culture. They were resourceful, adaptable, and capable of complex culinary and medicinal practices. Their strong sense of community and communication skills ensured their survival in a challenging prehistoric world. While they may have vanished from the Earth's surface, their genetic legacy lives on within us, a testament to the intricate tapestry of human evolution and history.